Hello, welcome to another very unusual review we've got here. Now we're looking at a Hexbug Matilda. This is from the new series. I do apologise there's something broken at the bottom of my Matilda because I must have used it so much. It still works, the front pinchers work, which is handy. Well, anyway, before that disclaimer, luckily she arrived today. And I'll show her big cousin, her old counterpart, soon when I do the comparison. Right, she's from the new Robot Wars. She's got the flywheel on the back, and she's got her dinosaur tusks. I never owned this. It's the first time I've owned one of these. I do apologise about the noise in the background. I'll just show you. Yes, I'm doing some installing, as you can tell. I've fitted my PlayStation with a new hard drive. So that explains all the bit of a noise in the background. And excuse the other Matilda. Well, anyway, she's a remote control and she's a Hexbug. There it is. Oh, get it right around, Rob, get it right. Hexbug, there we go. Robot Wars. She's from the reboot series, which I didn't mind. Your on and off switch is the pink switch. You just push that, and then you turn it on. If you turn it on, there's the robot on, and this is its remote. It's super tiny. You can see through the circuit board. Well, I forgot to mention, Matilda takes 3 AAA batteries, and the remote takes those watch type batteries. To turn it on, it's on channel 4 for Matilda. Before I mess with it, I shall do a comparison with the big Matilda. Another Matilda's arrived today, but I need to get a controller and a charger. I was not expecting to see this one today, so let's move you out of the way. My precious Matilda. The big Matilda, that is. She's a darling. She's a bit of a darling. Right. The left button, okay, that's your left and right. The left and right, up and down, let me just do it. Oh. I must have had it on. Whoops. Now it should move. It's not on. What a disaster. Now we're moving. Oh, stupid ice cream vans. Well, there's Matilda moving left and right. It's annoying. There's her going up and down. There's her tusks. So again, I'll do this as a close up for you. You don't want to see the rear end of Matilda. You probably don't want to see the rear end. You may have to because you want to see that flywheel move. There it is. There's the back side of Matilda. You do not want to mess with the rear side of Matilda. You can literally knock anything flying. It's the left. The left one is to control the flywheel, which I shall demonstrate. And then the other one is to control this. Just push and hold it if the little bit is broken off at the front. Now I'm going to show you how she throws stuff. Way! That was naughty. Do something useful, Matilda. She's been naughty since she arrived. Throw the ping pong ball. There you go. She's been naughty since she's arrived. She's already tried to attack my droids. Since she got here. You feel that? You can feel the powerful blade in that. It is a powerful thing, isn't it? If you want one of these, good luck hunting one down. If you're a Robot Wars fan, or particularly if you're just a general Matilda fan, unless you're just a fan of the adorable Matilda, and you just want the Matilda, if you want the Matilda from the reboot series, this is the one you want. Yes. I will try and get the other one fixed. Try and get a new remote and the batteries. So I had a bit of messing around with Matilda. If you like this Matilda, I would recommend it. She's done it again. Bad girl. Anyway, if you like the Hexbug, if you're not into a Hexbug, unless there's a theme like Robot Wars, if you like it, I recommend it. One thing I forgot to mention about changing the channel is if you have it switched on and turn it onto the channel, it was on channel 4 for Matilda. She does not like anything on top of her. Okay, if you like these, I recommend it. I'll see you cuties later. I shall get my PlayStation up and running again. And I'll see you cutie pies later. Ta-da!